Okay, we just got our sinks in today, and we'll do an unboxing video. That seems to be the thing to do today, have unboxing videos. We took the saran wrap off and the bubble wrap off. Did that earlier, off camera. So let's take a look what we got in our boxes. We got sprayer nozzle. And we got the faucets for one of our sinks. And the rest of the sprayer nozzle parts. And we get the other sprayer nozzle for the other sink. We'll have two sinks with sprayer nozzles and more faucet parts. So that can go, take that apart. We have our pre-wash sink that will sit adjacent to the wash, rinse, sanitize sink. And we have the legs for the sink with nice little plastic adjustable feet. And all the sinks come with strainer baskets and all that stuff to plumb into. So we just got to gather up some plumbing parts and we'll get our sink system work. We did the gravity test. The gravity test was done properly and it survived. That's always good. I want to thank Mark for getting our overhang over the serving window complete. Looks just similar to the front. Nice big beams. George is here to serve people if they need some ice cream. Say hi to Georgia, everybody. And hope everybody had a happy Thanksgiving and Merry Christmas. Bye. Okay, we got Mark got working the back 40. Man likes his tractor. Every guy likes his tractor, right?
Right.
Right.